A person takes 1 1/2 tablet of Atenolol, POQD, as part of their medication for hypertension. Atenolol is a beta blocker, a beta adrenergic antagonist. Hypertension is high blood pressure. So this person's taking 1 1/2 tablet of Atenolol, POQD, as part of their medication for hypertension. PO means by mouth, QD means once a day or each day. The tablets are 25 milligrams. How many milligrams does the person take per day? So what is the question? How many milligrams does the person take per day? And so that's where milligrams per day comes from. Notice milligrams is on top and some kind of time is on the bottom. So because milligrams is on top, milligrams must be in the numerator. The top of the fraction is the numerator. Milligrams must be in the numerator when we set this equation up. So how are we going to do that? The tablets are 25 milligrams. That's what's written in this question. And so we write that mathematically like this. 25 milligrams per tab is the same thing as a tab per 25 milligrams. Don't be afraid to turn those terms upside down so we can put the right unit in the numerator. So that's how I come up with 25 milligrams per tab. Now milligrams is in the numerator where milligrams belongs, because milligrams is the numerator of the answer. Milligrams needs to be in the numerator of the fraction when I set this up. So that's where 25 milligrams per tab comes from. Well, the next thing we need to do is cancel out those tabs. 1 1/2 tabs by mouth each day. PO is Latin for by mouth. Little q, little d means each day. Capital, all caps BID is twice a day. All caps TID is 3 times a day. All caps QID is 4 times a day. And I wanted to show you guys that we can still do this using dimensional analysis. So 1 1/2 tabs QD is 1.5 tabs per day. And so we could write that as 1.5 tabs per day. We could also write that as a day per 1.5 tabs. Don't be afraid to turn those terms upside down so you can have the correct unit in the numerator. So by putting the 1.5 tabs on top, look, my tabs cancel out because a tab over a tab is equal to 1, and I'm left with milligrams per day, which was the units that I am looking for. So my tabs cancel out because a tab over a tab is equal to 1, and I'm left with 1.5 times 25 milligrams per day.